This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in the Brookline Apartments at 49 Brookline Drive. Starting at the entrance, there is a 2-door closet directly ahead. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Rightwards of the entrance is the kitchen and living room. Just prior to the kitchen and living room, there is a den on the immediate left. On the immediate right is the kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen with an island includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. On the right, there is a small laundry room housing a white, energy-efficient, laundry machine and dryer. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features large glass windows with rolling shades and a large glass sliding door with rolling shades that leads onto a balcony on the back wall. Rightwards of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall. Directly ahead of the primary bedroom doorway is a spacious walk-in closet. On the right is the ensuite bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and tiled shower. The vanity features 6 cupboards and 3 drawers below a stone countertop with 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, and lighting. Leftwards of the living room is the second bedroom and the primary bathroom. Directly to the left is the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom features a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 4 cupboards and 3 drawers below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror, and lighting. Directly across from the bathroom is the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall. On the left, there is a spacious walk-in closet.